What's up guys? We are on Airbus A330neo bound for Hong Kong, and our call sign is 5J272. At ayun, nakasalubong namin ng ang Sunriser ng Pilipinas, or the flag carrier ng Pilipinas, which is Philippine Airlines. Yun, sana makasakay din kami sa 330 ni PAL as soon as possible. O kaya 350 lalo na yun, or 777. Yan, maganda yan mga yan. Gusto kong masakyan mga yan very soon sana. Pero sa ngayon, sempak muna tayo 330 neo, which is ito lang naman yung wide bodies yata niyan isempak. Pero siguro soon magkakaroon sila ng marami pang fleet, hindi lang 330 neo. At ito, lining up na kami sa runway 06 and we are ready to depart bound for Hong Kong VHHH. Pero ang tanong, may nag-spot kaya ng flight ko? Tignan nga natin kung may nag-spot talaga ng flight ko. At eto nga pala, rolling na kami sa runway 06. And dito iba na pakiramdam ko because this is the first time I'm going to another country to visit or travel. But sana soon marami pa kami mapuntahan na country. That's my wish. Lalo na sa birthday ko. Ay, nagpaparinig ako masyado, sorry ma. Sige nga, hanapin nga natin dito yung Shell C5 South Link habang taking off tayo. Makikita ko kaya yun. Mukhang walang spotter ah. Wala siguro nag-spot ng flight ko. Okay guys, airborne na kami. And dito naghahanap pa rin talaga ako ng signal kahit sa area na kami. Diba? Halatang matagal lang nakasakay ng aeroplano. Eto, tignan niya natin yung skyline ng Metro Manila. Pero ang problema sa spot kong to, walang mga building. Since yung mga building kasi nasa left side, which is sa may BGC. Kaya yung spot ko, puro bahay lang yung or mga condo building nga pala yun. Mga building site apartment, apartment, puro apartment sa site na to. And wala masyadong mga building. Okay, sa part kayang to, may nag-spot kaya ng flight ko? Nagkataka talaga ako eh. Kung may nag-spot man lang ng flight ko, may balak kasi ako tutukan ng Nikon P900 ko yung nag-spot ng flight mismo, parang kabilaan luk-bulok, diba? Joke lang, magaling na makagawa nun. Hindi naman ako expert sa camera eh. Hindi rin ako expert sa mga lugar. At ito, ang ganda ng ng Laguna, diba? Ito, banking na kami. Actually, may nag-spot talaga ng flight ko. Shoutout sa'yo, Jimwell Samodong. Maraming salamat at ikaw lang yung nag-iisang tropa nag-spot ng aking lipad patungong Hong Kong. At ito nga pala yung kuha niya. Saw that thing so beautiful. She just hit my heart, oh. Full force and she got me like I be like. Ayan tol, maraming salamat talaga sa pagkuha o pag-spot ng aking flight kahit maaga ito. Alas 6 kasi kami umalis. Nag-depart sa Manila. Ayan. Tapos gumising siya ng maaga para i-spot yung aking lipad patungong Hong Kong VHHH. Ayan. Ayun yung code Hong Kong. Maraming salamat Jimwell tol. Maraming salamat. Ito nga pala si Bebe Fin, sumakay ng aeroplano, diba? Ganyan kakulit, umiyak pa yan sa flight. Kaya yung kuha ko sa flight, may kasama pang pag-iyak. At ito, panoorin natin ay yung paglapag namin sa Hong Kong. Nice landing Cap, nice one ka dyan Cap, galing Cap. At eto, nasa may gate na kami and unboarding na kami. And ito nga pala yung katabi namin, which is Cathay Pacific One World Livery. Wala pa akong kuha niyan sa Manila eh. Kaya yan, nakunan ko siya ng katabing-katabi ko talaga. At syempre, yung Hong Kong is hindi katulad sa Manila. Kasi kapag lilipat kayo ng terminal, you need to ride a train first. Or, yes, free yung sakay dyan actually. And you need octopus card to buy paglabas ng train. And since nakakuha na kami, dito talaga kailangan yung octopus card pagka sumakay ka ng bus going to your hotel. At syempre, first day of Hong Kong, pumunta agad kami sa may Legoland Hong Kong. Actually, hindi namin siya totally na-explore yung buong Legoland Hong Kong. Pero maganda siya guys, maganda siya, try nyo. At sa Legong ito, pinapakita talaga yung culture or syudad ng Hong Kong. 'Di ba? Kung makikita nyo kasi parang Hong Kong na Hong Kong talaga yung datingan sa paggawa ng Legong ito or sa details. What I mean, yung binuo nilang Lego is hugis na hugis talaga ng Hong Kong. Parang totoo, pero parang Minecraft version lang, di ba? Parang Minecraft version lang. Pero ganyan talaga guys yung syudad ng Hong Kong. Pero para sa akin, talented din talaga yung gumawa nitong Legoland Hong Kong na to. O yung bumuo ng mga Legong yan. Ang galing eh. Kung tutusin nyo, mga ilang taon or, hindi naman taon, mga months lang siguro. Tinapos itong gawang ito. Kasi parang isang bahay pa lang. Ilang days na rin yun eh. Depende. Ako kasi tamad ako eh. O sige, panoorin na lang natin itong tagan nyo. May may train pa. May tram pang pababa ng tunnel. Diba? Paano kaya nila na gagalaw? Diyan talaga nag-overthink paano naging automatic yan. Kung may battery yan sa loob, okay, alam ko na. Okay. Pero curious talaga ako dun. Eto, sumakay na kami ng train. Dito talaga kailangan na talaga ng octopus card. Eto, nasa may Ocean Park na kami. Actually, day 2 na to. Day 2, yes. At para sa akin talaga, ito talaga yung pinaka nakakatawang experience ko sa Hong Kong. Dahil ito palang nasamahan namin, kala namin, ganito talaga yun. Pero, this is a special trip for us kids, which is students from Hong Kong. Kaya nagtaka talaga ako nun kung bakit may mga stamps sila ng panda sa mga dibdib nila. Lahat sila meron. And may cup din ng mga panda, yung mga bata. Ayan. Ayun talaga. Yun pala, student student special trip pala yun. Kaya napabalik na lang kami sa hiya namin. Tapos ayun talaga, nagantay kami ng hours pa yata yun eh. Yes, and ayun, kami yung pinakaunang pumasok sa Ocean Park.
No eating, no drinking. No person is allowed inside the exhibit. Do not put your hand over the fences and please stay quiet. Thank you.
So for now, we are going to find the panda in this cage, and we are now finding the real panda. But we just saw a panda images, and we asked them where is the real panda located at, and they see that's not a panda, that is just a wall, and we are now finding the real panda cage. And this is not the panda cage, and they said the panda. Wait. Oh, there is a panda. This is the real panda cage. Sorry about that. Okay, at this time we are heading to Disneyland, Hong Kong Disneyland, and this is the third day we are in Hong Kong. This is the train we will ride to Disneyland, Hong Kong Disneyland, and I'm now going to board at the train, and we'll see what is that train looks inside. If it's a normal train or it's just a designable train. Let's see. It's very comfortable seat, very nice. I love the seat and I love that train. And we are now going to the park, bound for Hong Kong Disneyland.
On a snow summer day， 我哋而家出發安山嘅冰雪皇宮啦，一陣見。
Today is the last day of our visit or trip here in Hong Kong, and this day we are going home to Manila, where we will go back to the Philippines, which is Manila. And for the last trip before we goes to the Trump Peak here in Hong Kong. This Trump Peak shows the syudad ng Hong Kong. Yes, this Trump Peak shows the city of Hong Kong, the whole city of Hong Kong. When we reach the top, and when we reach the top, we saw the syudad ng Hong Kong. And this is also my first time riding a tram, so you will see my tram or my first tram experience here in this video.
Join our flight, and our cargo is still open and two main cabin doors. And first and foremost, we'd like to apologize for the delay of our flight. This is just due to the travel of our aircraft came from Manila. As we assure that once we are aboard in Hong Kong, we will expedite our climb and cruise safely so that we could arrive little less delay in Manila. And for your information, the flying time going to Manila will take us 1 hour and 40 minutes. We're looking at 37,000 feet. It's cruising altitude. Expect very good weather except for some light turbulence as we climb out of Hong Kong. And during cruise, when always seated, please fasten your seatbelt as we may encounter weather system.
Yeah, so don't you let the sunlight go by without you.
We have arrived at Manila, and yung brother ko, kahit no sa Hong Kong din, umiyak din yan. Iyakin talaga every flight, diba? And this is a good experience. Thank you to my family for the experience bringing me in Hong Kong. Maraming salamat. I really appreciate it. Napakagandang international trip ito.
As we are